What's the meaning of countrywoman? Countrywoman. Countrywoman.
Countrywoman. Countrywoman. Countrywoman is a noun that refers to a woman who lives in or comes from a rural area. It implies that she has a deeper connection to nature and the land, and may have knowledge and skills related to agriculture and livestock. This term is often used to distinguish women from urban or city-dwelling areas who may have different attitudes and experiences. The word countrywoman carries connotations of simplicity, hard work, and a close-knit community that values tradition and self-reliance.